Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are great. This is a spoken English course and you are on lecture number 27. Today we will talk about how to ask questions using has, have and had. These are yes no questions. First, try to understand the philosophy of has and have in as a main verb. For example, she has a book. That means this has is the main verb. If it is the main verb, that would mean she owns a book. She is the owner of a book. She owns a book. But if it comes as a helping verb, then it would be she has gone. This gone is the third form of verb. Third form. So whenever you use has, not has been, just has, have or had as helping verbs, HV helping verbs, then you would take the third form of verb like broken, taken, gone, brought, bought, told, invited, any third form. She has gone somewhere. That's an additional information. She has gone to school. That is an adverbial, a prepositional phrase. She has gone to the market. So this is the third form. Let's take how to use has. Has would be taken for a singular noun phrase. For example, a gentleman or a good man. A good man, okay? A good man is a singular noun phrase, and has would be taken with these two, okay? And then have will be taken with I, we, you, they, and plural noun phrase. For example, these two boys. This is a plural noun phrase. These two boys, determiner and number adjective, and boys is a noun. Let's take some more example using have. You have taken this assignment. That means he has already done that. The person has already taken the assignment. Taken is the third form with helping verb have. Let's take another example using had. First, understand had as a main verb. She had a job in Pakistan. That means when she was in Pakistan, she had a job, she was doing some sort of job. She was having a job. That means she had a job. Had is second form here. Second form. But when you use it as a helping verb, you would again take the third form. She had already left the job. Okay, she had already left the job. Now you understood the basic philosophy behind has, have and had. Now we will shift them into questions. For example, if you want to make a question with the simple has, like when there is no main verb, has is itself the main verb, you would simply say does. It is present simple tense. Does she, this has would be shifted to have. Does she have a book? That means Does that lady have a book? Is there any book in her bag? Is there any book in her hand? So does she have a book? She, because of she, we used have. Does she have a book? And the question mark. The answer would be yes or no. You would apply this formula with all the pronouns like he, she, it, I, we, you, they. The similar has would be shifted to have when you use does. Now another question would be do. Let's take do you have a book? This is again present simple tense because of do, but have would be the same have. Like in this case, when we use do, there's no need to change have into another form. Like have would be have. Do you have a book? Do they have a book? Do these two boys have a book? This is a noun phrase. Do these boys have a book? Now the answer would be, of course, yes or no. Now let's take had. She had a job. This is the example. She had a job in Pakistan. If we want to convert it into a question form, we would use did. Did she have a job in Pakistan? That means we use did and later have, not did she had. Had would be shifted into have. The same case, has is shifted into have and had would be shifted into have. Now these things are clear, and now we will move to the questions that are based on third form. For example, she has gone. That is easier than the above one. Has she gone? No change in any form. Has she gone? Yes, she has gone. Had he signed? Had he signed? Yes. Camera is blur because of this cold weather. There is some moisture here in the air. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye.